Damn, I just be spitting. I get the riches. Damn, you finna listen. No pot of pissing.
What up? It's your girl Shay. Screenshot this next screen to take this workout to the gym with you and spice up your leg day. We're going to start off with some glute activation exercises to get that blood pumping to the muscles and get them nice and warmed up. This makes sure that we're targeting the glutes and not letting other muscles take over. This is also important in preventing injury. Pick a few exercises and do them until you burn out, which is doing them until failure. You feel that burn? That means your muscles are awakened. It should feel like you lit a match under your booty, okay? If you're having trouble picking some exercises, I'll link my glute activation exercises right up here. Click it, and watch it later. Now that we're all warmed up, let's start with the best booty building exercise out there, hip thrust. I'm going to show you the broke girl version just because not everybody got a squat sponge. So you're just going to fold up a yoga mat and wrap it around the bar. This will cushion your hip bones. If you noticed, I use the bench a little differently than most people. I got legs for days, girl. You can't contain me. I feel more comfortable when I lower it to about a bench press height. Normally, hip thrusts target your gluteus maximus, which is the larger of your glute muscles, but we're going to add a resistance band to target all three of the glute muscles, including the gluteus minimus and medius. As you're thrusting upwards, your legs will push outwards against the band, targeting the side glutes. The burn you feel with this is unreal, girl. Like, let me tell you. Make sure you're looking forward and not upwards. Thrust upwards until your legs is a 90-degree angle. After a set of 10, right after when everything is on fire, you're going to abduct your hips. This burns so much, but feels so good. That burn just means that you've really isolated and targeted your glutes, so it's a good thing. Abducting your hips in between sets, make sure your glutes are constantly activated, and make sure your quads or hamstrings don't really take over. If you're feeling this exercise more in your hamstrings, your legs are too far out. Bring them closer towards your body. If you're feeling this more in your quads, try widening your stance out a bit more and turning your feet outwards. Also try raising your feet onto your heels to target your glutes more. I love to do my deadlifts right after my hip thrust because I feel my glutes activating so much more since they're already burning. Step up to the bar until you see your shoelaces. You're going to want to take a wider than normal stance, about shoulder width apart. Have your knees and feet pointed outwards. You're going to reach down, grab the bar shoulder width apart. Your grip should be inside your knees, not outside. You're going to bend over, keeping your back straight, and pull up slightly until you hear a click in the bar. This is called pulling the slack out of the bar and will pack in your lats, which is your back muscles. Now you're going to want to pull the weight up, pushing off the ground with your heels. Straighten your legs and squeeze your glutes. This is called a lockout. The weight should travel in a straight line up your shins and back down to the ground. I prefer doing sumo deadlifts because it uses more of my glutes. You'll also notice how I started off this workout with 2 heavy compound movements, just so we can use the majority of our energy focusing on exercises that target multiple body parts rather than isolating one muscle group. Glute bridges are a great exercise to do in combination with the hip thrust. They go hand in hand according to Brett Contreras. If you find that the hip thrust is a bit intimidating for you, or there isn't enough room in your gym, or it just takes too long to set up, grab a plate or a dumbbell and do these. Make sure to squeeze your glutes at the top of the motion. Bench hip abductions have become my new favorite exercise. This shit right here, girl, let me tell you. I used to do these with a straight leg, but I started adding a twist, and girl, it has changed the game, let me tell you. Instead of keeping a straight leg, bring your bent knee towards your chest. This sets my side glutes on fire. You don't have to do these on a bench. You can do them on the floor as well or standing. Use your resting foot to anchor you to the bench, keeping your elbow for balance. This workout wouldn't be complete without working out our hamstrings. Try this exercise out next leg day. Lay on your back and balance your feet on an inflatable ball. Keeping your back hovering a bit off the ground and keeping your weight in your feet, you will feel this burn instantly. Do you see the ball moving to the side slightly? Each time it does this, you're using your hamstrings to balance and stabilize, and it kills. This is why I left this for the last as a burnout exercise. Trust me, you try this and you'll be cursing me. That's it for the workout. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you tried some of these out. And if you do, comment and let me know below. Bye.
Yeah, you in my shoes like a pet bull. Yeah, you getting salty like pretzel. Damn, spending my green for a necklace. Damn, eating this meat for breakfast.